home renovation projects go wrong, over budget, behind schedule, and full of regrets. Why? A lack of planning, transparency, and industry best practices. We're changing the game with advanced 3D scanning and fully integrated turnkey solution. This isn't just a scan, it's a precise digital twin of your home, capturing real-world data to power smarter ideas, accurate budgets, and seamless execution. Here's how it works. Step 1. We scan your home in 3D. Step 2. Generate real-time cost estimates. Step 3. Bring in the pros, architects, engineers, and surveyors, all working from real accurate data. Step 4. You get timeline and cost estimates from design, engineering, and approvals, including forecasted escalations. Step 5. Receive concept designs tailored to your actual budget. Step 6. Define the project scope clearly with DXF exports ready for use. Step 7. On request, we deliver a full builder pack, material schedules, engineering specs, and documentation ready for quoting. Full transparency, real control, no surprises. From day one, you have full access to your project data. You own your design brief, and every step from costs to timelines is open source and transparent. This is a build process engineered for clarity, control, and trust. Now every builder works from the same information, same drawings, same material lists and scope. No vague quotations, no hidden costs, just true comparative pricing that lets you make confident, informed decisions. Whether it's your dream renovation or a brand new build, we make sure your project starts smart and end right. Book your 3D scan today at collabrinet.com. Plan smart, build right. The future of home renovation starts here.